So they got swag, see rockin' Phineas on the boost. See when around, just like my cool.
What's up YouTube, it's Mícah Leia and I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing a natural hair video. As you can see, my hair needs some TLC right now. So I'm about to do a high puff because that's my go-to style. Like that's like my holy grail style, and why not do it? So I'm not going to be doing a voiceover for this video. I'm just going to be talking through the video. As you can tell, like, yeah, my hair just really, it's flaky right here because I put Gorilla Snot. This is good, even though it flakes. It makes my hair stay. I use that and it makes my hair flaky right here, but nothing else really holds my hair like that, so I'm gonna continue to use it until I find something better. But this is like this is day 3 hair of a wash and go. I don't know what it is now, but it's time to do it. So let's get into the video. So for my puffs, I normally use like Eco to slick up the hair. I use Style Factor. I use the strawberry one. No, this is cherry. I'm bugging. This is a cherry scent one. I use that for my edges with Got to Be glue. Sometimes I use Got to Be. No, this is not Got to Be glue. This is Gorilla Glue. Sometimes I use Gorilla Glue, but it depends on how I'm feeling. And then I just use a brush. This for like the back of my hair, so it's really sleek. A rat tail comb and an edge brush. Pretty self-explanatory, okay? You need your spray bottle. A lot of people want to see me do a video on my wash and go routine, so I'm gonna do that. I have a little bit of heat damage right here, so like I literally like slick this part back because this part is like literally like it comes down all the way to right here, and the rest of my hair is just mad curly, so like I slick it back so you can't really tell. Well, this would be a cute style, but that's not what we're doing today. So as I'm like wetting my hair, I'm trying to brush it up so it's already like in the form of what the puff is gonna be like. And then literally like, okay, well the way I do my puff is weird. I hold my hair and then I add all my hair to my hand. Like I stretch out the curls from the back so it could go on my hand. You guys can see the back. So I just I'm spraying the back of my hair now to get the back of my hair slick too. Cause I don't know how people wearing puffs where their like front is slick and then the back look crunchy. Like that's just not it. I just broke my spray bottle. Wow. Never mind. Okay, so now a lot of people normally use a shoelace, but I don't, because I don't know, I feel like I like my hair like really tight, which is not good because I heard that when you have tight hairstyles it makes your hair breaks off. But I'm gonna try to stop. That's why I'm not really like wearing a lot of tight hairstyles anymore. I've been trying to like actually wear my natural hair out more, but I'm gonna tie a scrunchie around twice. I'll be taking the longer pieces and like twisting them around. So okay, so now that you got like the puff part, time to do the edges. So to slick back like my actual hair, I use Gorilla Glue. I put on the edge brush. It looks like I'm brushing my teeth, but I'm dead not. So now that these two sides are slicked back, you gotta slick back this too. Duh. Right, so boom, now your hair is slicked back. But my forehead look mad big and I need edges, so we're gonna do that next. So now you grab the comb part of the edge brush and you take out the edges that you want to use. So I know I'm gonna use that. And boom, you're done. Just kidding. Don't go outside like that. For the edges, I used the Edge Booster, Style Factor, Cherry Scent. All the scents literally are the same exact thing. They just smell different. But the cherry smells really good to me. And literally, like, I take some, and I take some on the like that. My puff is not done yet, so don't think it's done. We gonna get to that after the edges. So we gotta tie it down and do the puff. My favorite part, even though it's the part that gets me the most aggravated, because like if my edges don't look good, then like the whole style is ugly. I don't care. Am I the only one that feels like that? Like if the edges aren't good, the style is not it. Everybody does their edges differently, so do it how you like them. Now, one thing that I hate is that literally, like, you see how I did my edges, right? They curl back up. It literally starts to curl back up already. So that's when I use Got To Be, because this makes my hair like stay. It's not really good to use this in your hair a lot. And then once this side is done, I'll be rushing to do this side before this side curl back up so I could tie it back down. So we not gonna talk, we just gonna do. The only thing about puffs is that the hair gets in your way. Like, can you move? This is why my edges never stay. I'm gonna hold it up like this. I swear this is the part that takes the longest, and this is why I get aggravated, because it just doesn't work out all the time. Only sometimes. Like, what the heck, yo? Okay, so just to be sure that your hair is slick, just add some more Eco, just a little bit, so it could be slick, because foundation is everything. So once you do that, just make sure you brush everything back into the ponytail. Once everything is slick, you grab your headscarf. It has to be silk or satin, and I fold mine up into like this. So it's literally only for my edges. Now you can let your puff go, because you don't want your puff to be flat. So this is why, like, I saved this for last. Now my puff literally depends on, like, how my puff is gonna look depends on what wash day I'm at. Like if this is day 2, day 3, day 4, like it's gonna be different depending on the day. So when it's like not as big as I want it to be, I take a pick and I pick it out. I just started using pick because I'm more of a definition type of person. Like I don't really care for volume when my hair is out, but when that's in a puff, girl, it has to have volume. Because if not, then it's like, what are you doing? It's not a puff, it's a poof. Just fluff it out until you like see how you like it, right? That's all you have to do. Okay, so after waiting for like 10 minutes, after you tied your scarf down, you take it off. And that's basically it, literally. Once your edges is done and your puff is fluffed out to how you like it, which it pretty much is, that's the style. This is my go-to, like literally like my go-to. But yeah, so that's pretty much the end of this video. If this video helped you, or you know you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I'm definitely gonna be doing more natural hairstyle videos, like definitely. I've been natural for 2 years now. I used to perm my hair like every other month, but you know, I feel like the curls it's been in. And I did my big chop like 2 years ago, and my hair is finally growing back now. I'm gonna do a lens check, whatever style I do next. Yeah, so that's gonna be all for next videos or whatever, my other hairstyle videos. So that's it for this video. Make sure to comment any other hairstyles you want me to do, and make sure to subscribe, like I always say. And if you don't have your post notifications on, what are you waiting for? Just hit the bell.
Okay guys, that being said, ooh, never mind, I'm not gonna talk.
Who said he was bad at my video though?
Whoa.
No, that's the end of this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.